Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I just got home from work. It's March the 5th, 2022, and my dog's, I can hear him inside barking. He's excited that I'm home. I'm going to take him out, put him on a leash, and take him for a quick walk around the truck so he can do his business. Got to put him on a leash because we've been having a lot of cats running around, and they're spraying tires, and he goes nuts and starts chasing scents. But I'm going to do something a little funny. I want you all to see his reaction. I'm getting ready to go in and get him. Come on, boy. How's my boy doing? I'll put your leash on. Okay. There you go, pee-pee. Let's go. Come here. Come here. This thing off of you. You gotta wipe your feet. You gotta wipe your feet. Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? What? What you look at me like that for? What? You can go let me nip your ears? Let me nip an ear. What? Why don't you like that? He gives me the weirdest look when I nip his ears. Not doing it hard, but lightly. Thought you all would think that was funny. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Have a wonderful and blessed day.